I've got another fabulous model home tour right here in Palmetto, Florida, which is right beside Parrish, Florida. It's called Esplanade at Artisan Lakes. Let's go take a look. Esplanade at Artisan Lakes is an 800-acre resort-style community located in Palmetto, Florida, which is a sister community to Parrish, Florida. And it really does offer resort-style living. There are over-the-top amenities. They have wellness programs, a lifestyle manager that plans weekly events for the residents, and there are also signature events throughout the year. It's like being on vacation every day, or what we locals like to call staycation. Now, Esplanade is one of 3 sub-communities offered by Taylor Morrison in Artisan Lakes, and it is the premier gated section of homes with the highest level of amenities, which includes non-age restricted, maintenance-free living. So what that means is no one has to do lawn work here. Woohoo! That is something that is taken care of by your HOA dues. And as you can see, all of the common areas are also beautifully landscaped. There are very mature trees. There's a lot of lush foliage. And this is the beautiful clubhouse. Has pretty much everything you could want in a clubhouse. You can bring your visitors and your guests here with you. And you'll see they have a beautiful pool. This is a bird's eye view of their pool and their courts. Who wouldn't want to go swimming in this amazing? It's a great place to spend a day or a weekend. Now, this is the entrance of the clubhouse. And over here to the left is its fitness center. So they have this fitness center with workout machines and, of course, free weights and that sort of thing. But they also have rooms where you can have workouts like aerobics and that sort of thing. This is their huge clubhouse where they have events and teaching and culinary events and that sort of thing. They have a billiards room, a library, and hey, look at this. They even have a spa, people. Who wouldn't want to go get a massage? There are tennis courts, as you can see here, and pickleball courts. There's also bocce ball. Yep, I don't know how to play it, but I'm going to learn. And pretty much everything you would want to experience, you know, just where you live every day. Like I said, a staycation, or for your family and friends when they come to visit. There are several floor plans to choose from in Esplanade at Artisan Lakes, but today we're going to check out one of their popular ones called the Farnese. So if you want to downsize a little bit, 2,100 square feet, let's go check it out.
So guys, Esplanade at Artisan Lakes by Taylor Morrison here in Palmetto. And remember, if you're looking at a map and you see I-75 running north and south, on the east side of the Parrish exit is Parrish, and on the west side of that same exit is this place right here, Artisan Lakes. So it's definitely something that you ought to check out. Another thing about this community that people really like is it's a gas community. So if you like to cook with gas, if you're a cook and you know that gas is way better than electric, this is a place you want to check out. They have different price points, so it's definitely something that you should call me about. I can tell you which floor plans will fit your budget, what will fit your needs, and then we can get out here and take a look at these babies. It's a beautiful community, very well maintained, and it's close to everything. A brand new Publix is probably 3 minutes down the road. And of course, I use Kroger for groceries, but everything is so close to the interstate. You can get wherever you need, whether you're going up to Tampa, St. Pete, or you're going south into Bradenton or Sarasota. So if this is an area that interests you in the least, or maybe you know someone that this might benefit, make sure to share this video with them. And please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can always find out what the new model homes are, what the builder incentives are, and of course just information about Parrish and Palmetto, anything in Manatee and Sarasota counties and the beyond counties. I work there too. So make sure to like and subscribe. Call me if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Catherine Newman. I'll see you next time.